Eki Traders Institute. My name is Martin Osin, CEO Eki Traders Institute, and today we're going to be looking into the market to see what the market is saying and the possible opportunities for traders and investors alike in the Forex market to make some money. Guys, first we're going to be starting. Let me first of all thank you for stopping by and visiting our channel. Please like and subscribe. You know the drill. You know how we go, how we roll. Um, We're going to be looking first into the dollar index, okay, this morning, and uh, we've seen that the market had made a correction, and that phase is past. So we've made the ABC correction, and we're currently in wave one, okay, looking out down to wave two, and before heading all the way back up to wave three, okay. So let's look at let me take that off. Go to the smaller time frames on the dollar index. Let's look at the weekly time frame and see where we currently are. There is okay, we're currently headed towards this trend line here. Still on wave one, making its way down to wave two, which we think the market could get to this region here before reversing and going higher, okay, to wave three. On the daily time frame on dollar index, we can see what has been happening since morning. Okay, if you look at this candlestick here, the dollar has been bearish. It's been bearish all day. Okay, just a second while okay, has been bearish all day. Let's continue. And we've had these waves here. We have wave one, wave two, wave three down here, and we look for a shallow wave four before the market will make its way back down to wave five to complete the wave two and the Elliott wave close to the trend line that we saw on the weekly time frame right there, which still has some space to cover, as you can see. Still has this space here to cover within the next few weeks on the dollar index. Now, taking that information, we're going to go to the Euro US dollars monthly time frame. Let's see what the Euro US dollars is doing at the moment. Okay, on the Euro dollar, we've been riding the wave down to uh yeah, wave three, Elliott wave three down here somewhere, and it's a very big move for you can see. And we're currently going to look at the weekly time frame. We currently have hit the resistance here, okay, resistance there, and the market looks to be having a tough time getting past that area. You can see that on the way down to wave three, we have wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four. I personally am not sure wave four here is complete, okay, before heading down to wave five. So in the next few days, we're going to be looking at what the market is going to do. Okay, take that out. Sorry, take that line out. Okay, we currently are within this region right now. You can see the market is very tight on Euro US dollars at the moment. Looking at daily time frame, um, let's go there. We're currently within this. Yesterday, the euro dollar broke a very tiny region. Let me show you that. very tiny region, made a very shallow low point there. Okay, you can see this. We had this breakout yesterday. Okay, within that area, and is currently having a support. Now, what we've seen here appears to be a wave one of a bigger wave structure. We can be selling, looking to sell US dollars. Okay, if this trend line here, if this market breaks below this trend line here, okay, because we've had five waves, one, two, three, four, and five, and it's currently in an extension, five extension with five there for what you can see. So at the moment, it's in a tight condition. Wouldn't advise anybody to take position on Euro USD at the moment. Okay, you can see it's just within this pennant right here, an extension 5. So that's what Euro USD is doing. So sellers will be looking to short Euro USD at the break of the structure right there, when the market breaks this level and possibly do a retest, and to head the way back down for about 5 to 600 pips to the downside. Let's go to Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar this morning did something very, very beautiful. But what we've been expecting, we've been anticipating a rise in Aussie dollar. Looking at the monthly time frame, we happen to be within a correction. We've achieved with 5 from the monthly time frame, and the market appears to be in a corrective mode. Okay, in a corrective move with A. Okay, this is more going to be something like, let me just illustrate something here. Something like wave A, okay, B, and C. All right, something like that. But we don't know how far yet it's going to go. Okay, so we're expecting a 5 wave move to the upside on Aussie dollar. Okay, let's look at the weekly time frame and see what it's been doing. Okay, this indicates that we're moving gradually to wave A. Okay, which is 5 waves move. So traders are going long on the Aussie against the US dollars is strengthening. From the information we received, the data coming from Australia and the US today. So we've had also on the way to wave one, gradually having a 3-5 wave move to wave one. We've established wave one here, 2 and 3, and possibly 4 and 5. So that is the position right now on Aussie US dollars. So those who are long on Aussie dollar will be taking some profit, of course, with tight stop loss to secure their positions. All right. So this has been position of Aussie US dollars since morning. Okay. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see it's still appreciating. Hopefully, within the next few days, if this trend is okay, sure to get to wave 5, okay, before a major wave down, then there's going to be about quite a lot of pips right there. Quite a number of pips right there. Okay, I guess that's over 700 pips, and that's quite a lot of money for investors who are looking into buying Aussie against the dollar. So we're looking into, let's go to Euro Yen. Euro Yen, there appears to be um, a kind of a structure. Okay, we've looked into Euro Yen for some time now, and There is, from what we can see on Euro Yen, we're in a big correction. Okay, a big correction on Euro Yen, which is from the sorry from the downside. Okay, let's see. We have an A, B, and C correction, and we're currently within with A 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to wave C and the Elliott wave. Okay, to complete the big correction we are seeing right there. It may not extend to that level, but if you want, let's quickly put a Fibonacci and see what we can get from here. See what we can get from here. If you put a Fibonacci from that point 0 to point wave 1, we are possibly going to be having wave C around, oh, okay, I think it's something, sorry. Let's put that wave back. Wave A, wave B, and wave C may get to that extension. Okay, we're looking at somewhere around here for wave C, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We may be having a very shallow wave 4. Okay, flat wave 4 around this area before we head all the way to wave 5 for what we can see. So that's that. Let me take you to the lower time frames on Euro Yen. Let's look at the weekly time frame and see where we currently are within. Now, if you look at this chart very carefully, you're going to see that there appears to be a support level within this region. Okay, we just hitting a very support level within this region. So wave 4 may not extend to too deep here. Okay, may not extend too deep past this level. So before we see a rally to the upside on Euro Yen. So on the daily time frame, yesterday there was a dip in Euro Yen, and if it happens that we have completed with 4 around this area, then Euro Yen could be going back up in the wave C correction to complete that move. Okay, so those looking to trade, um, this is a brief practical outlook on these three pairs this morning. So we are traders, we are Eki Traders Institute, and we encourage you to like our page and follow us on social media, and let's make money together. Okay, you're gonna be receiving these information also in your emails, and also taking part as you take part in education and SIGNUP services that are going to be launched very soon. Very active very soon. And also, we encourage you to fund your accounts and trade with us because we're going to be very, very busy this year, uh, profiting from the Forex market, which is, of course, one of the biggest markets in the world today. So, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more updates to come, and see you soon. Bye bye.